Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to lock computer through various options. Chapter 1. How to lock computer from the Start menu. To start, click on the Start menu. There, click on the username, then click Lock. You can log in again. Chapter 2. How to lock computer from Run. For this method, right-click on the Start menu, then click Run. In the opened window, you are going to enter the command on the screen. By clicking OK, the system will lock. Then, you can log in. Chapter 3. How to lock computer from keyboard. To use this method on your keyboard, press the Windows plus L keys. The system will lock. Now log in again. Chapter 4. How to lock a computer from terminal. To begin, we are going to open the terminal as administrator from the Start menu. In the console, run the command on the screen. When you press Enter, the system will be locked. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now log in if you need to. Chapter 5. How to lock computer from Task Manager. To get started, open the Task Manager from Start. Then go to the User section. There, select the user. At the top, click Disconnect, then click Disconnect User. Chapter 6. How to lock computer from shortcut. First, right-click somewhere on the desktop. There, click New, then click on Shortcut. There, enter the command you see on the screen. After this, assign the desired name to the shortcut. Save the changes. Now you can double-click on this shortcut. Windows will lock. Chapter 7. How to lock computer from screensaver. To start, enter the word screen in the search. Click Change Screensaver. Now select the desired protector. Next, set the time. Finally, select the On Resume, Display Log on Screen checkbox. Save the changes. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.